Hello everyone! What you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics in the shop, so relax. This can definitely be fixed. If the message "Depress brake pedal to start engine" popped up in your Mazda, first take a deep breath. It doesn't mean your car went crazy or that something expensive broke. It's actually more common than it seems, and according to mechanics and owners on forums, there's almost always a pretty simple explanation. Basically, this warning appears when the system doesn't detect that you're pressing the brake, or the clutch if your Mazda is manual. It's the car's way of protecting you. It won't start if it doesn't know you're ready. But when you press the pedal and the message stays, something inside the system is confused. The first thing many mechanics check is the 12-volt battery. Yes, it sounds simple, but a weak, old, or unstable battery can confuse the electronic system. Many mechanics have reported that the message disappeared on its own after replacing the battery, even when everything else seemed to work normally. Another very common culprit is the brake pedal switch, that small sensor at the top of the pedal. If it's dirty, loose, or damaged, the car won't get the signal and will display the message. A very important tip: if your brake lights don't turn on when you press the pedal, this is probably the problem. And don't forget the key fob. If its battery is low or there's interference, the car may not recognize that the key is nearby and thinks it can't start, even if you're pressing the brake. Some mechanics in this shop have solved this by simply placing the fob directly on the start button while pressing the pedal. Sometimes the issue isn't physical at all, it's electronic. The car's modules can have a temporary glitch, especially after disconnecting the battery, electrical work, or resets. One trick that works is to disconnect the battery for 10-15 minutes and let everything reset. It's like restarting your phone when something freezes. Also, the message can appear intermittently. One day everything's fine, the next the message comes back, and then it disappears on its own. This is typical of software issues or ECU glitches. It's not magic. It's just electronics giving you a little scare. In summary, don't panic. The most common causes are the battery, brake pedal switch, or key fob. Check those first, and if needed, do a quick system reset. Only in rare cases is it something more serious that requires a full shop diagnosis.